Hello and good morning to all of you. I welcome you to this session on Big Data Analytics. In today's session, we are going to discuss the installation of Ubuntu on Oracle VirtualBox. So for that, I've already downloaded and installed Oracle VM VirtualBox. You can also do the same. And from our browser, what we can do is we can download the Ubuntu desktop. Okay. So you can just go to this site and click on desktop here, and from there you can download the latest version or whichever version of Ubuntu you want, you can download from there, right? So next I'll tell you the installation steps. Okay. For that I'll first open up Oracle VirtualBox. I've already installed an Ubuntu here, but for your reference, I'll create another machine here in VirtualBox. I'll click on new, and then I can pick up some name here, say maybe Ubuntu new, okay, and click on next. Then maybe I can just increase it to this memory size to 2048. Click on next. Then keeping this option, create a virtual hard disk now. Click on create. Click on next, next, and then create. So your virtual machine is created. Now you can just start it. Okay. So once you start, it would ask you for the image file. So whatever desktop image you have downloaded, you can just pick it up. So I have this version of Ubuntu with me. I'll be installing it here, and then I'll click on start. So the installation process has started. It is going to take some time. So I'll have two options here. One would be try Ubuntu and one would be install Ubuntu. So we'll be going with the installation of Ubuntu here. So I'll be clicking on install Ubuntu once the option appears. So click on install Ubuntu here and just click on continue and pick this option erase disk and install Ubuntu and click on install now. Just click on continue. And click on continue. Again continue. Then you can write a name here. So I'll write here Ajay and my computer's name as AGC, right? You can create a password here. I've created one and then click on continue. Now the process of installation has started. It is going to take some time. You can also install Ubuntu as a dual boot on your desktop or laptop. And if you're not comfortable with dual boot, then you can install Oracle VirtualBox as I've done here. And within the VirtualBox, you can create a new machine and install Ubuntu on it. So the installation process is on. Once Ubuntu has been installed, the next step would be to install Hadoop on it. And that's a longer process of installation. There are many steps and many configuration files are there. So once you've done installing Ubuntu, you can install Hadoop after that. I'll share a video for that also with you all, and a few configuration files also, and one installation file also for installing Hadoop. And once you have installed Hadoop, obviously, then you can work with all the Hadoop ecosystem components like HDFS, Apache Pig, etc. So we'll be waiting for the system to install, for Ubuntu to be installed. It's going to take some time here. Let's wait for the completion of the installation. Ubuntu installation is there. You can see it on screen. Now it is configuring hardware. So we can see the installation is complete and we need to restart this computer, the virtual machine. So I'll click on restart now. So it is saying please remove the installation medium and then press enter. So I'm going to press enter here. And pretty soon we'll see the Ubuntu desktop in front of us. So I can just log in now. And you can set up the terminal here. The terminal here, and you can just place it here. Right? Terminal would be required in most of the things that we do in Hadoop. And you can configure the terminal also. I'll just close this and can increase the font size by going on right clicking and then on a profile you can select profile preferences. There you can pick up this custom font and you can increase the size here. So I'll just put it around 20. You can pick up a size of your own choice. Okay. And then here you can just make all the commands, the Ubuntu commands you can write. And now the system is configured and is ready, for the installation of the Hadoop cluster. And that's all for today's video. In my next video, I'll discuss the installation of Hadoop with you. Till then, keep watching the videos. Thank you very much.